Picture this. Your 4x4 buries itself axle-deep in mud, miles from help. The only thing between you and a long hike is your winch. Here's how to master winch recovery, even if you have zero extra tools. First, always wear gloves. Steel cable splinters can cause serious injury. Find a solid anchor point like a sturdy tree or large rock. If you're using a tree, wrap the winch line around it with a tree saver strap to protect the bark and prevent damage. Hook up the winch line securely. Never use a tow ball, as it can break loose dangerously under tension. Before you pull, lay a heavy jacket or blanket over the cable. If it snaps, this helps absorb the recoil and keeps you safe. With your engine running to power the battery, slowly winch in, keeping tension steady and the wheels pointed straight ahead. Watch carefully for cable stacking or tangling on the drum. If you're alone, use your vehicle's weight and gentle throttle to assist, but never spin the wheels wildly, as this can worsen the situation. Once free, rewind the winch line evenly, keeping hands clear of the drum and fair lead. Off-road recovery is all about patience, safety, and knowing your gear. Master your winch, and you'll never fear getting stuck again. Subscribe or follow for more videos.